Today we're going to test gasket mounting this custom circuit board to the new metal exoskeleton design we cut out today, along with some changes to the endoskeleton that we also made. So in addition to making the spacer shorter to accommodate for the width of the gasket, I also made them tighter so that they don't fall off whenever you put this upside down to screw it into the exoskeleton. So I'm testing to see if these gaskets are going to affect the sound quality in any way. The idea is that the rubber prevents the vibrations and the sound from the switch from going through the circuit board, through the spacer, into the exoskeleton and creating like hollowy, echoey sounds. So we'll see how much of a difference it makes. I'm also going to be testing out the switch lubrication oil to see how it affects the feel of the device. That's really satisfying. I think today I'm going to fold from the back first and just see how it goes. I also want to put bookend railings on this version, so I've gone ahead and countersunk these middle screw slots so that they don't get in the way when we do that. Nice and flush. I don't think I've showed you guys this yet, but from this view you can see on the underside of the finger circuit board the 4 LEDs that are going to line up with these 4 on the endoskeleton, and that's going to provide like an underglow effect shining down and out the both shoulder ports as well as the rear port here. I really love whenever you fold and you start to just see these creases become more pronounced from the outside. It's very satisfying. Here's another turntable mid-fold. Still not all the creases yet, but you can start to see it taking shape. This looks like some kind of crazy piece of modern art. Another little round table. You can already see the seams from yesterday have drastically improved. Very clean, pretty much perfectly parallel there. But I still have some ideas on how I can improve that further. Here's where I realized that I've made a mistake. Compared to yesterday's model, one of the things I did to tighten up these seams, I made the tool path a little bit too short. So you see this little extra material here on the end? That's preventing me from folding it all the way in now. So I need to go back and clean that up again. Just one of those little things. Finished the testing on this model. I went ahead and just broke those off. Here is metal exoskeleton with gasket mounted PCB versus plastic exoskeleton non-gasket mounted PCB. Sound test. Personally, I think this one sounds a lot better. You still have the same clickiness of those switches, but it's a lot more muted, and it's a little less hollow sounding than you get with the plastic one. I have a few other experiments I want to do as well, and we'll test that out on tomorrow's cut. This is day 73 of Caracorder updates every day until the whole world can type at the speed of thought.